Hey, what are you up to today? Not much. Just thinking about what to do. You? I was thinking of going to the mall. Want to come? Sounds like fun. I need to buy a new top. Cool. We can grab lunch there too. Perfect. Shall we meet at 11? Did you see the new movie that just released? No, I haven't. Is it good? Yeah, I loved it. The acting was amazing. What's it about? It's a romantic comedy. Very funny. Sounds like I should watch it. Definitely. I'll send you the link. How's your semester going? It's going okay. Lots of assignments. You? Same here, but the exams are almost over. True. I'm looking forward to the break. Me too. Maybe we can plan a trip? That sounds awesome.